Kickoff really does work, but like I said, it depends on your credit score. If you guys have a 720 credit score, it's not going to work for you. If you guys have a credit score under 620, it's really going to work for you. Only thing is that, like I said, if you have enough accounts reporting onto your credit reports, you don't need to get an account like this. If you don't have enough, you don't need to get an you probably need to get an account like this. But if you do have enough, you don't need an account like this. And keep this in mind, you guys. If your credit score is under the 550, then you guys are going to see like a greater increase. Now they have multiple accounts that you can get with Kickoff. They have their cash card. So if you guys don't have at least 4 credit cards reporting, then you guys may want to get that cash card, or maybe even that Kickoff credit. And if you guys don't have at least 2 installment accounts can be a car, student loans, things like that, then go ahead and get that credit builder loan. So it really depends, and it's going to work for you if you have a very low credit score, because that's what it's meant for. It's meant to help you boost your credit score, and it's meant to help you get a kickoff in your credit, basically. I think that's where they got the name from. They want you to kick off your credit.